Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're cooking out of our cookbook, Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook. And we're going to be on page 246 with a great recipe. Will you say the name of it, please?
Fruit melange.
She took French. I didn't.
It is, this just happens to be cut up fruit in my world. And it is truly the single dessert that I serve all the time.
And you
I
can
mean,
call it-
almost nobody who has been to our house hasn't had it because the few little additions make it amazing. I mean, you know, you can just go and have all kinds of fruit and eat it. And it's good, it's great, it's beautiful. But I've got 3 things I add that make such a difference. And I love to start,
Okay.
I love to get as many, I love grapes, but I think it's key to cut the grapes in half. And then I'm going to put in grapes, and I'm going to put in raspberries, and I'm going to put in blueberries and strawberries. And Jane is going to take my melon baller, and we'll use the small end, and I think you're using the big end, and do some small little melon balls.
Okay.
And then, Jane,
Those are big balls.
and then,
Sorry.
Jane,
Mwah.
Jane.
I didn't know you wanted it on the smaller side. How much of this do you want done?
And I'm going to put in a little kiwi, and that's plenty. Ooh, that's tons.
And you know what? My mom has never in our lives called this fruit salad.
I think it's ridiculous. It's not a salad. This is a fruit. This is cut up fruit, and it's a dessert.
So we always had cut up fruit. It was a sort of a clunkier name than fruit salad, but
Clunkier. Fruit salad is clunky.
Okay. And anyway, but you do always add amazing things that make it so much more than a typical fruit salad.
No, I really need a little bigger bowl.
I do. I can grab one.
No, that's good. This is good. But the thing is that I often will put an orange slices, peel the orange, take the slices out and get the juice. But what I think makes this particularly good is if you can get freshly squeezed orange juice and then just put it in and fill it in so that it's really right up so that everybody will get some of this. Then, Jane, do you want to cut up the mint? Fresh mint
Kind of a knife.
is wonderful.
Pardon me.
Fresh mint,
Like just chiffonade a bunch of it?
yeah. And then I'm going to take a lime, and I'm going to get some zest with this lovely little zester. And then I'm going to add some lime juice.
You know what's cool about the orange juice being in there is that it's acting like well, the acid is helping probably keep the fruit from browning.
Right,
you can
you
make
want
this
to
ahead of
put that
time.
mint in?
That's
Good. You can put in as much mint as you want. I often, you know what? Oh, this is the other wonderful thing about this, is you can make it first thing in the morning to serve for dinner for guests at night, and it still is just as beautiful and delicious. And then Jane is going to squeeze some lime juice on the top.
Where's the lime?
Oh, here.
Right on. I'll choose the bald half. Do you want both sides of it?
No,
one?
just a little, not a lot, just a little.
I don't know how juicy this one feels.
Oh, but the 3 things: lime juice, mint.
I think you might need a little more because it didn't have a lot.
Okay. Lime juice, mint, and lime, mint, and orange juice are such delicious additions. And then there's one other thing which we sometimes add, and that is a little bit of
Ginger. So there's lots of ways you could do your ginger. You could slice it up, well, not with a knife, or you could just microplane a little bit. This way, I think, might be best with this cut up fruit or fruit melange, because you don't get a big chunk of it. So is this enough, Anne?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. we go.
Then I want to show you what, now this is just all you would need. This is all you would ever need for a delicious dessert. But if you have really fancy people and you want to add something else, you could make some of these minty frozen chocolate balls. And they have to be frozen, and you have to eat them when they're still close to frozen because they melt. But they are fun to have along with this cut up fruit.
Nope. Oh,
Mint
fruit melange.
fruit melange. So,
Can we have a little bowl of it?
oh yeah.
All righty. You serve. You serve. I'm gonna get some spoons.
And my favorite part is the juice.
I know it has a special like sweetness. This one doesn't have any blueberries.
What?
What? There you go. And my mouth is actually watering. There you go.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, cheers. All right. You know, it smells. It has it's a sweeter smell than.
It just makes it the orange juice and all the little other things just
The mint and the
take
lime.
it to a new level.
And this part of your likes it. All right. Well, we're gonna get busy.
And you know what?
Yeah.
You could put any fruit in here. Pineapple.
Mango.
Mango. Anything.
Wow.
Oh no, my blackberries, I forgot. Yeah, I left them at home.
We couldn't find them at your house. We couldn't find them at our house. We think
I
maybe
thought
maybe somebody ate them on his breakfast cereal. All right. Hey. Well, thanks so much. Enjoy your fruit melange. Bye bye.